This is 4th of July in Hungry Horse, Montana. This is Wyatt, Mark, Stephanie's 2 sons, and Mark's girlfriend. And this is the shop, and there's Stephanie and Brian. And we're getting ready to watch the fireworks down here. It doesn't happen till late here because it doesn't get dark until about 10:30 or so. Michael just like a ran over me with a motorcycle. Park it up here, and Smokey's waiting in the truck. So
here we are at the Dam Canyon shop, and it's the 4th of July. And here's all of our firecrackers. And in the middle, I think it's going to be the coolest. We have a Hawaiian rainbow. It's a fountain. But the ones that I really like are right next to the Hawaiian rainbow. Those are really cool. And there's the shop and some bears. And there's Lynn and my mom. There's Michael. There's Mark and Heather. And there's Brian. And there's our flower garden.
Mark and Wyatt lighting firecrackers. Yeah. Them boys, that's brothers there. One way older, one way younger. He's good to Wyatt. Mark is. Takes him fishing, takes him home with him. Boys will be boys. You don't know which way that thing's going, man.
That way? Right at that SUV.
Right, straight across. Oh, man. Straight over top of it, Mark.
Try to stand up. You can do it. Right now, the difference
Come on, Wyatt.
I never could figure out why the kid just went off.
Light it, Wyatt. Is it lit? Oh. Okay, here comes Big Brother to the rescue. All these cars going up and down this highway.
Yeah, this is
Oh, shit. You can tell it did that because I jumped. Yeah, see?
Everybody likes those.
Oh. Yeah. I like that. It's got got all the colors to it.
Get back, Wyatt. Move over. Move over this way.
is.
It's like a Weldon.
Yeah, it's just, that's what it reminds me of. I know it, me too.